Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Determine the molecular formula of amoxicillin. Amoxicillin has the molecular formula C16H19N3O5is. Moving on to the next step. Apply the DBE formula. DB is equal to 2 times 16 plus 2 plus 3 to 19, 2 is equal to 32 plus 2 plus 3 to 19, 2 is equal to 18, 2 is equal to 9. Moving on to the next step. Verify by counting structural features. Benzene ring, 4 dBe, 3C is equal to C plus 1 ring. Amide carbonyl, C is equal to O from side chain 1 dB. Beta-lactam carbonyl, C is equal to O in 4-membered ring 1 dB. Beta-lactam ring, 4-membered ring 1 dB. Hyazolidine ring, 5-membered ring 1 dB. Carboxylic acid, Co2H1 dB. Total is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 9 dB. And for the final step. Why other options fail? A. 5 and B. 6 and C. 7 all undercount the degrees of unsaturation. They miss contributions from the rings and or carbonyl groups when tallied carefully. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.